The things you cherish and the people you love are right behind this door. That's why protection starts here. And Arlo has you covered with our first video doorbell. See the important moments outside your door, from head to toe. Receive alerts when they matter, so you can know before they knock. And clearly hear guests like you're there, with a doorbell that calls your phone directly, so you can answer from anywhere. It's built to handle everything that steps up to your front door, so you can protect everyone who matters on the other side.